When it comes to the world of Temptations, we love how we can always get great ideas about entertaining with Temptations. For the last 21 years, they've been bringing us a lot of ingenuity and a lot of beauty to our tabletops and kitchens. This right here is an egg cooker. And so it's a beautiful size, easy to store, but it's cute enough that you could leave it out all the time. You can cook up to 6 eggs at one time, and whether you like them hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, omelets, you can do it all. Now, you get the egg insert that you see there. You also get an omelet pan and a poaching tray, but this is the piece that I love. This one is going to pierce your eggs, because you should do that when you use an egg cooker, and it's also a measuring cup for how much water you need for each one of your recipes. Now, it is $16.64 on a clearance price, and we have 3 color choices for you. I have the blue out here with me. We have 700 remaining in the blue. We also have black, and there are about 400 left there. And then we have the red, and there are 450 left to go around there. 3 easy payments of $5.55. Now, from the Temptations team, today, we have their Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting joining us live, and Lisa Lasorte is joining us to talk to us all about it. Lisa, I love your top. Is that a little bell that you're wearing over there?
Yes, and look, you and I coordinate, and we didn't even talk, my friend. How do you like that?
I love
I'm a little ombre.
I love it.
It's an ombre sort of day over here. And
Well-
but, Mare, this item is the bomb diggity, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I mean,
Yeah.
we love how easy an egg cooker is, but now you've made it perfectly functional and perfectly cute at the same time.
I can't agree with you more, because this is something you're going to leave out on your counter. So true to classic Temptations patterns, we're going to give you our most popular patterns. We call it our classic pattern, where we mix and match old world and floral lace. You get that beautiful saturation of color in the back that just gives you a pop of color when you're going to leave it out on your counter. But what if I told you that you never need to pull out a pan again to make an egg? You can cook an egg 5 different ways from if you want to make a soft boiled, a hard boil, a medium boil, if you want to make omelets, if you want to make poached eggs. And here's the deal, it's foolproof. It has an auto shut off, so that if you literally walk away from this and all the water evaporates, it will shut off automatically.
Okay.
It comes with this tray right here. This is the tray that you were talking about that holds the 6 eggs. You see the stainless steel, so high quality base right there. And then you get, again, these great little inserts. So you can literally add that dome lid and you are ready to go. Oh, and by the way, when it's finished, you hear that?
I do.
How cute is that? If you're upstairs and you're like, let me put the eggs on, and yeah, you'll be able to hear them when they are finished. So there's safety features. Not only does it have the auto shut off, it has this adorable little chimey little ringtone as well that lets you know, yep, eggs are ready, my friend.
Well, and you know what? I was showing everybody how to use the different trays while you were describing here in the studio. You always want to have this insert in, correct? Whether you use it with the handle or you slide it and pop it out, you want to make sure that this is always between your trays and the base.
That is correct. That's what's going to sit on top of that stainless steel surface. It also comes with a little pin right here, so that you can literally, you have to take this and you have to literally put this on the larger part of the bottom of the egg. And what you do is you pierce it. Did you hear that? You just literally pierce the egg. And that's because when you go to boil something, you don't want it to explode. So it'll allow some air release. Then you take that egg, the pierced part you put up, you literally put it right there. You put this on top. You add your water, which I have right here. You just add it right in, and then you turn it on. You can add 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs, 5 eggs, 6 eggs, whatever you want to do, which is so great because it's customizable. But here's what you can do, and I want to show you right here. So everything from your soft cook, which is right over here. These are the little egg trays that we have on QVC.com. So now you can take your toast points. This is so hard to make. Like, literally now, you can literally get it, dip it right in, and you're good to go. You can do more of a medium cooked right here. So that's amazing. And then look what we did over here. I'm going to actually make omelets. So we made an omelet. Let me just get my glove on, because it is going to be warm, because remember, you are dealing with boiled water. But Mary, look at this. What you're going to do is put your, you're going to spray the bottom of this tray a little bit. Then you're literally just going to put your eggs in, give them a little stir, and look at that. Add in your veggies. So it's not just eggs. You can add in whatever accoutrement you want as well.
I
And
love
then,
that.
isn't this amazing?
Hey,
And then
Jonathan,
poached
Jonathan
eggs.
said that your dip looks a little bit like Connemara marble, which we think is perfect timing.
Thank you very much.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate
You're welcome.
that. Well, hey, we are team players here for
Thank
St.
you. Yes,
Patrick's
you
Day.
are.
For sure. And then poached eggs, which is you pay so much to go out and have these at brunch, and they're so intimidating to make. Look, did you see how that slid literally right out of there? So look at that. Now you can do poached eggs. Wait. I'm
Oh,
not done.
I
Hold on.
knew there
got
was
it.
more. And that picture I own and adore as well.
Oh, you got the
Oh,
white woodland pitcher.
yes,
Look at
I
this.
do.
Okay.
Oh, look at
Uh,
the
did
little
we say
hollandaise.
hollandaise sauce on top of Canadian bacon and eggs and English muffins? Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
please. I mean,
You can do that
with a
for
little asparagus
$16.
bundle. You know what? We also have, I know this is already popular in the show, but Lisa, we have all the colors with you. Can we look at the colors on your countertop?
Sure can. So
Thank
here's
you.
the red. I
Okay.
love this because look how pretty this is, that bright red. Then here is the blue, that beautiful Mediterranean blue color. And then last but not least, and I love this because that classic color, if you're gifting this to somebody, how about the black, that
So
classic black color?
I mean, and I want everybody to think about this. You know, when you do go to culinary school, when you're learning how to be a chef, the place where you spend a lot of your training is with eggs because they can be so
Yes.
tricky. Think about how nice it would be if your breakfast was a culinary experience every single time you got out your
Yes.
egg cooker. That's what this is. Then fast forward to this right here on your screen, $16.64 to get it home.
Yes.
250 have already been picked up live in the show, and I get it. I mean, when it comes to making breakfast really not just memorable, but memorable for your day, make it count, make it
Yes.
impactful, this is the tool you need. You do get the base, you get the egg lifter itself, you get the poaching tray, and you also get the omelet tray, and of course you get the measuring piercing tool, and it's all a clearance price. So this is no reorder. I just want to highlight that again. And oh, Lisa, I see you have breakfast served.
We have breakfast served, my friend. Here, I think you want this one, actually. I think Jonathan wants this
Get in
one.
it.
So
Oh,
I'm
are you
gonna set
kidding?
here.
Jonathan would eat that whole counter. I've
Can you
never
get
seen
it?
anybody
Can
that
you
has
get
that
it?
capability. Yeah, he got it. He's got it. His Connemara marble dip. You know what, Lisa? Thank you so much. We'll see you soon, my friend.
Bye, Mare.
Thank you. Talk to you in a bit. You know what? Lisa is coming back.